When I was learning how to read sheet music and play piano, I came across the 6/8 time signature and it was really confusing for me. Today I'm going to go over everything you need to know about the 6/8 time signature, and hopefully this will help you with your piano journey. So let's look at the most common time signature that we have in music, which is 4/4. The top 4 indicates the amount of beats that are in each measure. So in this case, there'll be 4 beats in each measure. 3/4 would have 3 beats in each measure, or 2/4 would have 2. But we never really think about what the bottom 4 means. And to understand 6/8, you have to know what this means. But before I explain that to you, let's think about our note values. We have a couple different types of notes. We have a whole note, which is 4 beats, a half note, which is 2. Then we have a quarter note, which is 1, an eighth note, which is a half a beat, and finally the 16th note, which is a quarter of a beat. That is only true when there's a 4 on the bottom, because the 4 means that the quarter note is 1 beat. And since the quarter note is 1 beat, everything else has its own place. We have the half note, which will now be 2 beats, the whole note, which will be 4 beats, 16th note, which is a quarter, and an eighth notes, which are half. But with the 6/8 time signature, yes, there are 6 beats in each measure, but the 8 means that the eighth note will have the beat. So instead of counting the eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and, we're counting eighth notes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So think about what it does to the other notes. If the eighth note went up in value by 2, then so does the quarter note. So instead of the quarter note being 1 beat, it becomes 2 beats. The half note becomes 4 beats. You won't see a whole note in the 6/8 time signature, but technically it's 8 beats. We have the eighth note, which is now 1 beat, and we have the 16th note, which is half a beat. So 16th notes act as eighth notes act as quarter notes act as half notes, and half notes act as whole notes. So it does get confusing because you're taught from the beginning that you count one end on the quarter note, and then you split that up with eighth notes, but now it's completely different. So when you're learning a song with 6/8, keep that in mind. There's so many songs they can learn with this time signature. A few examples are Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls, Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Believer by Imagine Dragons, and many others, and I'll list some more in the description. Go find the sheet music and learn all these songs. I'm going to cover most of these songs on this YouTube channel and actually post a full-on sheet music tutorial walkthrough. So subscribe to this channel if you really want to learn how to play piano, and I'll see you in the next one.